Kamusta mga kaibigan? Mula sa pagpapahiya sa mga legends hanggang sa trick shot at mga game-winning shots, ito ang mga best plays ni Luka Doncic sa Dallas Mavericks. Umpisa natin sa ankle breaker na to kay Paul George.
Doncic. Oh, goes behind the back, the floater, you bet! Luka Magic!
Mukhang di nagustuhan ni Paul George yun ah. Isunod natin ng sakyan ni Luka si Dwight sa likod sa posterized dunk na ito.
Dinwiddie! Missed it.
Mukhang nagustuhan naman yata yun ni Dwight.
Yeah, I'm not gay.
Sa next moment naman natin ay nung i-disrespect ni Luka si Stephen Curry gamit ang kanyang signature move. Si Steph kasi ang laging gumagawa ng mga impossible shot tapos sabay shimmy. Hanggang sa bantayan ni Steph si Luka nang mangyari ito.
Doncic, the bump in the pool, firing, good as it goes!
Hindi nagustuhan yon ng mga fans ni Steph at pinagtanggol siya sa Twitter. Ang dunk naman na ito ni Luka.
Down to 8, moves up from the hammers it home! Dallas has got the lead!
And one, sumabay pa kayong dalawa. Yun nga lang na injured si Luka at nagminti sa free throw. At least hindi sila sinewa ni Luka ng ganito.
With screens, Luka drives, Achua up on Luka. Luka has got him in the blender and the rainbow. That, my friends, is Luka Magic.
Hanep, ang lupit ng dance move. Pero mas malupit pa rin ang next moment natin dahil pinahiya niya si The King. Nang 2 beses,
A lot of open shots right now.
LeBron comes to the weak side. Luka blocked him twice.
wala kang respeto sa nakakatanda ah. At least hindi nasaktan si Lolo Bron. Pero sa next clip natin ay hindi makapaniwala si Luka sa ginawa niya.
Maneuvers away from the closeout. Luka maneuvers away from the closeout. And that is about the best dunk we've ever seen out of Luka. This is a holy moment right here. He blew his own mind.
Gulat na gulat ang mukha ni Luka. Isunod naman natin ang kakaibang layup na to ni Luka.
Well, they're not the Lone Ranger in that regard. Luka has done this to many teams this year. What? No, you gotta stay.
Wasn't surprised. You know, when I was young, I was bartending, so I'm used to that.
Kwentong barbero ka naman dun, Luka. Ngayon, sino ba naman ang makakalimot sa buzzer beater shot na ito ng isang rookie na Luka?
Got it!
Here in the corner, Luka! How did he do it? How did he do it? That is Luka Magic!
Pero ang iconic shot na yan ay nangyari lang noong regular season. Pero pagdating ng playoffs, ang ginawa ni Luka ay ikakagulat mo.
Now Dallas is down 103-97. Doncic.
Grabe yung reaksyon. Pero paano pa kaya sa mga susunod na best play ni Luka? Tulad ng kanyang record-breaking shot na naging history o kaya nung pinahiya niya ang best defender sa liga. Pero bago tayo mapunta doon, tignan muna natin ang ankle breaker na to.
Under a minute to go here in the first half. Stunning. 27-point lead. Down goes Johnson. Three. Outside.
Oh no.
They're shredding him.
Oh no, he didn't. Luka Doncic is absolutely putting on a show here in the Valley.
Grabe, dahil sa crossover na yon, sinabihan tuloy ng mga fans si Cam Johnson na mag-retire na. Itong half-court shot naman na to ni Luka.
Fifth-year player from Colorado. Half-court heave. And Luka makes it home! Luka Magic has made everybody ooh-ah!
Pero sa totoo lang, wala naman kay Luka kahit gaano kalayo yan. Tignan mo na lang ang mga ginagawa niyang trick shot.
The no Luka.
Here's Luka. Gets it away. It's good! A Doncic dagger! That one goes down and the game is...
Doncic.
Down to 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Doncic for the win. Oh yeah!
First try.
Doncic pulls up, three-pointer. Bang! Bang! First try!
Got it. Here it is. Corner, Luka. Goes in. How did he
Put up jump shot. Puts it in.
Pero di lang yan ang kayang gawin ni Luka dahil kaya niya rin gumawa ng 3 highlights in less than 10 seconds.
Difference of about 2.5 seconds. Game clock, shot clock. Doncic making a move, machetes his way in. Oh, stolen by Doncic. A three.
Yun ang tinatawag na Luka Magic. Panoorin naman natin ang unbelievable shot na ito.
Seconds left.
Who's gonna get a stop?
Double on Luka. Looking for a place to go. Finds Green, who attacked the pass. Hand off back to Luka. Late in the shot clock. 4 seconds. Got it from Kleba. Again late in the clock. In desperation.
Tignan naman natin ang next moment na ito nung pahiyain niya ang isa sa best defender sa NBA.
Here's Carter. Stolen by Doncic. Could be fun. Doncic! Hold on! That's in his bag as well!
Kung hindi ka pa bumilib doon, baka dito bumilib ka sa mga game-winning shot ni Luka.
Finney-Smith to inbound. Back to Doncic. Doncic pulls up, three-pointer. Bang! Bang! It's good! Doncic wins the game at the buzzer!
Luka Doncic. Boom, shaka Luka.
Here's the switch. It's Luka against Josh Richardson. Left side of the floor. Luka's three is a race.
Doncic down to 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Doncic for the win. Oh yeah! Luka Doncic.
Gotta get it in. Here's Luka.
It's gone! A Doncic dagger!
Gobert's out there. Doncic maneuvers for the lead. Got it! What a shot! Dallas is taking the lead.
Ang maging hero ng ganung karami ay talaga namang nakakamangha. Pero hindi natin yan maiko-compare sa craziest moment ni Luka sa kanyang career na hindi pa natin nakikita sa history ng NBA. Sa laban nila versus Knicks, maganda ang laro niya, mga no-look pass niya, mga kakaibang tira at nakakakuha siya ng maraming rebounds.
Here's Luka working against Grimes. Pump fake. Doesn't get the shot to go. Rebound his own miss. That one will go. Around and down.
Hanggang sa nakagawa siya ng 49 points. Pero naghahabol sila ng 6 at kakaunti na lang ang oras. Sa ganong sitwasyon ay wala pang nanalo sa history ng NBA. Kaya ang akala ng mga tao natalo na sila hanggang sa...
Nothing shocks me about this game.
And that Drew rim. It's still loose. Luka got it back. He did it. And the improbable comeback by Dallas to tie it with 1 second left.
tie game. Pero ang tirang yon ay hindi ang craziest part dahil sa overtime may chance si Luka na gumawa ng history na wala pang sino man ang nakakagawa.
21 rebounds, 47 minutes played, and now 60 points for the first time in Mavericks history.
Tinapos ni Luka ang laro na merong 60 points, 21 rebounds at 10 assists. Triple-double na wala pang nakakagawa sa history ng NBA.
Luka, it's never been done in NBA history. A 60-point, 20-rebound triple-double. 60 points, 20 boards. It never happened, baby. How's it feel right now?
I'm tired as hell.
You can rest later. You're young.
I need a recovery beer.
Beer pala ang sikreto. Kaibigan, iyan ang best play ni Luka Doncic sa Dallas Mavericks. Ano ang masasabi nyo rito? Kung nagustuhan nyo ang ating video, i-click mo na rin ito. Salamat!